Meet Hector, a hefty hippo from the lush lagoon who suddenly began hiccuping one sunny morning. With each hiccup, Hector bobbed up and down the water, sending ripples across the surface and delighting the onlooking flock of flamingos. As he attempted to nibble on some juicy reeds, a particularly fierce hiccup sent his snack flying onto the back of a dozing crocodile, prompting a humorous yet startled chase. Even as Hector tried to join the afternoon symphony of frogs, his hiccups turned notes into squawks, creating a comical cacophony that had every creature in stitches. By sunset, as his hiccups finally faded, Hector reveled in the joy he had spread, belly laughing at his own unexpected show.